Hey, what's up everyone? It's the Tastemaker and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we have a synthetic wig. Aren't you guys happy to see synthetic wigs back on my channel? More affordable things. I'm loving it too. So today I'm bringing you guys this hair tutorial. Actually, this is a deep wave pattern that I personally did on this synthetic wig, and if you guys want to see how you guys can get this deep wave pattern on your synthetic wig, then definitely keep watching. But yeah, so yeah, this wig was originally 30 inches long, but honestly I felt like they gave me like a 50-inch wig. Like, it was ridiculously long. Tyler was telling me not to cut it, but I was like, girl, you're tripping. Like, I have to cut this. I have to cut the wig. And yes, I know that my top has a hole in it. I already know. So yeah, I absolutely love how this hair turned out. It came out really great. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I got this look, then just continue watching. Okay guys, so this is the box that the wig comes in. This wig is from HeraRemy. I did work with them last year and I reviewed a wig for them. So they reached out to me again and I have a couple of wigs I am going to review for them. But first, I'm going to review this one today, which is 30 inches long. It's jet black, and I haven't had really long hair in a minute, so I wanted to try something different out. So this is the box that it comes in. Everything is eco-friendly, so there's nothing like in the inside here. But here is the wig, and it looks to be like maybe like a deep wave kind of texture. This is called the Ariel wig, and it's in the color 1. So this is the tag that comes in. Let me go ahead and pop the tag off. Okay. And then it does have stuffing inside. It's also tied right here. I don't know if you guys can, yeah, you guys can see that. So it's also tied right here. I'm just gonna rip that and then take the wig out. Ooh wee. Okay. This is long. Oh no, I'm not wearing it this long. This is getting cut for sure. I don't even know if you guys can see this. Look how long. That's ridiculous. Ain't no way. So, okay. So the inside has a stuffing. So I'm just gonna take the stuffing out. And this. So here is the inside construction of the wig. It does have 2 combs here. And it has adjustable straps. And it also has a comb here at the bottom. Sorry, but yeah, so it does have a comb here at the bottom, and then all the tracks or whatever. So it's only this much lace. It's literally just a lace part. So this is not a lace front wig, it's just a lace part. So you can pretty much only wear this down the middle. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some makeup underneath. I thought I just brought that brush over here. Okay, so I have my e.l.f. brush, and I just put a little bit of makeup at the bottom of it, and I'm just gonna put that on the part so that way it blends in with my skin tone. I might cut the combs out of this top part because I'm definitely not trying to have combs right there. So yeah, that's it. Boom. Okay, so I'm not sure if I'm a fan of the texture because it's not really like cohesive. There's some parts that seem kind of straight, other parts that are like crinkled. So, and then it's obviously like way too long. I don't even think this is 30 inches. I've had 30-inch hair before. This is like 40. Ridiculousness. All right, so let's go ahead and slide her on. What the hell is that? Oh, okay. So yeah, this is way too long. I do kind of like the texture now that I have it on. Just at least in the front part, I like it. Obviously I am gonna put baby hairs and stuff. And this is what it's looking like. So I'm also going to stand up so you guys can see. I'm going to stand up so you guys can see like where this hair is naturally going to hit before I cut it. Because, child, this is just ridiculous. Like, the hair doesn't even fit in the frame. Like, this shit is to my thighs. Ridiculous. What are you crazy? Tyler says not to cut it. She's crazy. Look at this shit. You about to have me out here looking crazy? She's not a real friend. She's crazy. I'm cutting this shit. Ain't nobody about to keep all this hair, girl. How I'm gonna function like this? I have to walk around with this. So I am cutting it. This is where the hair is hitting me. You think I'm about to keep this? No. What you Okay, guys, so I did cut the hair, and when I cut the hair, I kind of lost some of the crimp in the hair, and I do want it to stay crimp. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to attempt, and I did do one attempt at the bottom here. Basically, I'm going to attempt to re-crimp the hair using hot water. You know, like how you guys would dip your hair back when you had individuals. So this is kind of like the wave pattern that I got with it versus this. So this is what it regularly looked like, and then this is what it'll look like once the whole thing is finished. Because I really do like the waves, and I don't really want to lose them. Because I was going to straighten it, and I'm like, nah, I want to keep it the same kind of style. So I put these braids in my hair. They're just like random size braids. They're not all the same, but I did want to do the top two a little bit tighter. And then I'm just going to braid this side over here, and I'm going to do that part on camera with you guys. And once I'm done with each braid, I'm putting rubber bands at the end. You can see that. So I'm using these rubber bands, you know, just the regular black ones that you get. It's like 500 or something in here. It's like $1.50 for this whole thing. So yeah, I'm just going to continue braiding my hair on camera with you guys.
This shit way too formal, y'all know I don't follow suit. Stacy Dash, most of these girls ain't got a clue. All of these hoes I made off records I produce. I might take all my exes and put them all in a group. In my essays, I need the booch. About to turn this function into Bonnaroo. Told her I been, you coming too. In the 305, bitches treat me like I'm Uncle Luke. Have to slap the top off, it's just a roof. She said, where we going? And I set the moon. We ain't even make it to the room. She thought it was the ocean, it's just a pool. Now I got her open, it's just a ghost. Who put this shit together? I'm the glue. So and said, shorty face, Tommy out the blue. So and said, so and said, so and said.
Till I land, have me out like a light, like a light, like a light, slept through the flight, not for the night, 767, man, this shit got double bedroom, man, I still got scores to settle, man, I crept down the block, made a right, cut the lights, paid the price, niggas think it's sweet, it's on sight, nothing nice, bangers in my ice, Jesus Christ, checks over stripes, that's what I like. We like, lost my respect. You not a threat. When I shoot my shot, that shit wetty like I'm Shaq. See the shots that I took, wet like I'm broke.
So I just put some more braids in, so they're all the way around now. They're not all the same size or random sizes. It doesn't matter. So now we're gonna go dip these. Follow me, peoples. Let's take a tour around my house.
Look like the black girl off of the Rugrats.
What's her name? Susie. I'll take a Susie. So yeah, I have my water boiling here. It's actually not even boiling like that. I'm gonna turn the heat up a little bit. Turn the light on for y'all. Y'all remember I burned down my kitchen? It's back. Alright. So boom, look, we got the water boiling, and I'm literally gonna take my wig off and put it in here. Girl, we was cooking breakfast, excuse me. Excuse me, just a little something. Okay. So I took my wig off, and I'm literally just going to dip. I'm going to hold it by the strand that I've already done. And I'm literally just going to dip this wig into here. So yeah, you just dip your wig. I don't even know if y'all can see this. Y'all see? I just dip my braids in there. Boom. Alright, you guys, so I am back. So I already took out one side, and let me just tell you, I like absolutely love it. It looks pretty cute. So right now, I'm just gonna put a little gloss on. So now I just need to do the other. So this is what I was able to achieve on one side. a nice deep wave. You guys saw what the waves were looking like earlier. Ooh, that is so pretty. Yes. Ooh, I did that. I mean, you guys remember, I'm sure you guys remember what it was just looking like, and then this is what I was able to achieve all the way down. The ends are a little bit straight, but I think I'm just gonna cut those off. I'm just gonna cut all the ends that are straight. And it also gave it a little bit more volume, like it looks really nice. So I'm just gonna do the rest, take the rest out. And it almost gives it like a kinky curl kind of look. So yeah.
I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. Water, 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 water. I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. Water, 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 water. Water on my bitch, I keep it wet like my cell phone. Bitches on me, dark skins and the red bones. Ugly guy, wrap your bitch up like some headphones. You say I ain't shit, bitch, I'm ugly god, I'm well known. I ain't got time for no wife, yeah. LMFAO, you kiss bitches, I pipe, yeah. Bitch, I feel like Yachty, just give me one night, yeah. And if she gay, I tell her I'm a fucking dyke, yeah. Yeah, bitch, I'm a dyke. I am strapped up like a dyke. Man made like a dyke, for real. Boosty fade like a dyke. Damn, niggas tryna join the wave, huh?
Pussy nigga take a hike.
Get gone. Yo, bitch is my slave. Yeah. Bitch, I'm ballin' like Mike. Swish. Bitch, I'm ballin' like Mike. I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. I feel like I'm 21 Savage. I pull up and fuck on your daughter. Fuck on your daughter. Yeah. Water. Damn. Water. Water. Okay. Water. Water. Drip. Water. Splash. Water. I jump in your bitch like water. I splash on your bitch with the water. Splash. Water.
So yeah, this is how you can completely change the texture and give yourself some deep wave. I believe that you can do this with, like, you know, any synthetic wig as long as it's straight or whatever. That way it makes it easier for you to braid it. But if you had like a curled wig or an old wig, maybe that you just wanted to revamp and it was a synthetic wig, I mean, this is a cute way to redo it. I just randomly thought about this because I was looking at the curl pattern. I'm like, dude, like, I still want it to be a deep wave. So yeah, and it gives it like a nice texture. Here's what the ends look like. I mean, it's like that all the way down. So if you wanted to, you know, it kind of gives it like that kinky curl type of look, and it gives the hair a lot more volume. So yeah, and the hair also has like a nice shine to it. I didn't put any product in it. All I literally did was braid it and then undo the braids. So this is how it's looking. So yeah, if you guys are interested in this wig, I will leave a link to it down below. It is 30 inches long, but you guys know that I did cut mine just because that was just way too long for me. But you can cut it or as long or as short as you want to. And then if you want to get the crimson it like this, you guys saw exactly how I achieved that. I'm not really sure of the price of this wig, but all of the wigs that I received were supposed to be like under $30 or something like that. So yeah, you guys will obviously know by the title of this video. But yeah, I think this is great, and then it's something that'll last a long time because of the hot water. So you don't have to worry about this, like, you know, falling out like in a couple of hours or something like that. Especially like when you crimp like your human hair or natural hair, like it only holds for so long, even with hairspray. But something like this, it'll last for days and days and days until you want to change it, honestly. One thing that I will say about this particular synthetic wig unit is the fact that this hair is like extremely soft, and that's something that I really like about their units. Also, I didn't have to pluck the part. This is how the part comes, and this is how it looks. It goes all the way back here. I would say this is probably about like a 6.5 inch part too, by the way. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching today's tutorial and hair review. If you guys like this wig, definitely check it out. The link will be down below, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!